welcome back to One Pink One Plants. I am so happy today. I just unboxed plants and they were beautiful and amazing and I can't get over it. And now I have another box to open and I am so happy and grateful. So this is my second box for today and let's just get started. Before I begin, I just want to let you know that I'm a little afraid now because I don't know if I have room for these plants. This ones look really tall and I already have a lot of plants and I don't have a big place. So whatever I buy has to be able to fit in my space. Also, before I forget, my husband is into aquatic plants and so he has some red floaters, I think they're called. And he just keeps growing and growing them like crazy. They really love his water conditions, I guess. And and so I have a lot of free red floaters that I'm willing to give away for free, but I don't know if anyone's interested in having some. You do need to have them in an aquarium or maybe a terrarium. I'm not sure. I'll have to ask him. But yeah, he mentioned that he has way too many and he like me, we're both willing to give them away. If you're interested, just let me know in the comment section and that you're interested. Don't put your info. Please don't put any private info or personal info in the comment section. I have my email connected to my account. So if you're interested in getting free red floaters for fish tanks, let me know via email. And I'll see if I can get it shipped to you. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a first. Look at my beautiful bunny tail. No, just kidding. Okay, I'm a little scared of this plant now. Why is it like that? Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, I see what it. Oh, what a beautiful plant. Oh my gosh, you're amazing. Look at this plant. I'm having so much fun right now. Wow, look at that bright green color. This is a cross with the Frederick plant. It's in I believe this one is in Alocasia, Frederick, and Sabrina cross. I can't remember at the top of my head, but I will post, or I will post the name on the video. But this is so cool. It kind of reminds me of a giraffe with its head pointing downwards when it's eating. I mean, I don't know if you ever fed a giraffe. I fed a giraffe once and it was an amazing experience. It was scary because I didn't know their tongues were black. But this just reminds me of a beautiful giraffe. I think it's a beautiful plant. Look at this. Another plant. By the way, I said that I didn't know if I was going to be able to fit them in my place. There's always room for more. Like I said, I'm a plant lady now. It's interesting because I never wanted pets. It's not that I don't like pets. It's just that growing up, I had some really sad experiences with my pets. And it hurt me so much that I didn't want to have to go through that again. So I never really wanted pets. But once I discovered plants, I went all crazy for plants, as you can see. And for a good reason. I mean, they're very, very good for your environment. They clean your air and everything. I mean, they have been out in the space station just because they clean they filter out the air from all this bad particles. Okay, so this is a pasta sanum. Okay, I have no idea what that one is. Huh. Let's see. Haha, there's a trick. We can open the bottom first. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. Okay, never mind. Okay. Oh my goodness. Another one that... Oh, oh, what a beautiful plant. Oh, you are gorgeous. Wow. Today's my lucky day. I should buy a lottery ticket. Look at all these beautiful plants. Oh, this is amazing. That's a brand new leaf and it's moist. Or it still has some of the fresh water with it. So, I mean, it smells good. It's not like it's bad water, like, or dirty water. And I did pay for 1-day shipping because I love getting my plants right away. But look at this. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Is it like leathery looking? Kind of. But it's just so green and tall. I love it. Ooh. So, I do have another silver dragon. And it's from the same nursery. But I loved it so much that I couldn't help myself. Oh no. And I bought another one. Oh no. My husband just laughs. I have a wonderful husband. He loves it when I'm happy. And he knows plants make me super happy. Yes, yes, they do. Oh, see, this is a beautiful baby. That's why I love it. It's like it's so small, but you can see the details of the leaf. You can see the silver color on the leaves that are maturing. It's just amazing to watch nature grow and to watch all these plants grow in front of you and with you. You know, we grow all together. Oh my goodness. Honestly, I am so happy that I got more plants. My husband is traveling because of work, so I have my companions with me, my plants, my beautiful plants. They're always here for me. La, dun, dun, dun. Da, da. La, 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 la. Oh, sorry. I'm so happy I'm singing now. I can't wait. By the way, as I mentioned before, I started my company about plants, right? And so I have some merchandise with really cute, funny, adorable, trendy, and modern, like, words or, 1 second. Oh wow, this one's so wet. So yeah, I have, oh, I know what this one is. Oh my gosh, I dropped it. This is the Alocasia Coopii. Wow, this is beautiful. I see why everyone's so after it. Wow, this one was expensive, but so worth it. So as I was saying, I have my own company and I started a line of, well, I'm gonna start selling some products on Shopify and on Amazon, and later on we'll see where else. But for now, I have some products. So if you're interested, all you have to do is just go to Amazon, Google One Pink One plants and socks as a keyword, and you will see my brand new socks on Amazon. And then if you go to Shopify, I'm still setting it up, but maybe in a week or two, it will be up and running, and it will be One Pink One plants, and I will have t-shirts. This is funny, yeah, fanny packs. And I know those were out of style when I was growing up, I think, or when I was, yeah, something like that. But they're making a comeback, and and I think they're cute, and they have designs of my well, some of my plants, but they also have the designs of other plants, and funny coats and things like that. So it's just something to keep you happy and trendy. So if you're interested, my products will be available in 1 to 2 weeks on Shopify. Wow, look at this. This is awesome. Wow, this is so shiny. You know, it's interesting because it's beautiful from the top, the bottom, sides, everywhere. But online, I thought the leaves were gonna feel a lot harder or thicker, like the Maharani ones. But they're so thin. I don't know if it's because it's a baby plant, but they're very thin compared to the Maharani leaves. So I believe this is the last plant for this box. And let's see. So I think I forgot to mention this, but this second box that I am unboxing is from Canopy Plants Co. And I have purchased from them before, and there is another video. It was actually my first video on that specific nursery, and it was the first time I purchased from them. Ever since, I just keep buying from them because the plants come very healthy, very good. I haven't had a problem with any of them. And so here it is. This is a dubia. Oh yes, I did order one. Sorry, like I said, I'm slowly building up my plant collection, and I'm slowly learning about all of them and their names and how to take care of them. Look at this beautiful plant. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I have one. Look at this beautiful plant. Gorgeous, isn't it? Oh my gosh. What a beauty. I just like the piece of wood on the side, on the back. It's so cute. Well, this is it for the second box. Thank you so much for sharing this experience with me. I am so happy with all my plants. Thank you for everything. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.